Hello, my name is Josh and I'm a member of Sigma's documentation team. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a simple approval workflow that leverages an action that inserts multiple rows into an input table at once. We have an input table where employees have entered their names, their reason for traveling, and the offices they want to travel to and from. Instead of adding these rows one by one, we can set up a workflow to check off the requests that we approve and add them all into this approved table at one time. To begin, add an element to trigger the action, such as a button. Then, open up the Actions tab and add a new action to the sequence. In the modal, set the action to Insert Rows. For Insert Type, select Source Data, then set Into to our Approvals table. Next, set Rows to Insert to Column Value Matches Criteria and use the checkbox as the criteria. Then, make sure the source columns are mapped properly to the corresponding columns in the approved table. The only columns we're interested in are these, so this looks great. Now, we can test out the action. Check off these 3 employees because they're the ones with valid reasons to travel. Then, click Insert and they show up in the Approved table, ready to be sent off to the right team for procurement and expensing. Continue to experiment with the possibilities, such as implementing a formula that checks other criteria in addition to our manual approval. For more information, be sure to check out the Sigma documentation at help.sigmacomputing.com. Thank you for watching.